Here because the original unit that was in the home, the heat exchanger cracked because they were using these small semi-baseboard returns and didn't have enough return air. So we're going to enlarge the return so that that new unit that we're installing will have enough return air so it'll run properly and last as long as it's supposed to. Had to take a break from putting in the return to go take care of a person with no heat. So we're gonna go and get them heating again and we'll return here. We got to stop at the supply house and grab a couple of things anyway. So it worked out pretty good. We'll be back here in just a bit. Alright, we came here and no heat. Basically found out it's just a older mobile home unit that had a trip breaker, I guess, from running those heat strips all winter. And breaker finally gave up its 20 amps. I mean a 60 amp breaker. It's only pulling 40 amps. So got everything back up and running. Had a little over 100 degrees coming out the vents. I think they'll be good to go for the rest of the winter. It's just about over.
You're hot or you're cold and you need a fix. Call 782-3546. Drawny